Hello, here's Moon, and I have a log from a company that doesn't exist anymore. This is Schliessysteme in Germany, and the log is a multi-XL with a crazy keyway, but not too hard to navigate, and some rather common pins, but still fun to pick. So 2 spools in 2 and 4, and the standard ones, and I picked the second half just to be able to gut quicker later on. Here is the beating of the key. It's reasonable but not too hard, and it works nicely. So let's get it into the vise and hopefully pick it in reasonable time. Wiper insert for tensioning, middle depth hook in 0.4 millimeter, and let's go. Number 1 is binding, and core rotational just a little, and click in the first place. And click on 2. Again, core moved a little. 3. It doesn't feel jiggly yet, it just hides between the boarding, so let me get deeper hook. Okay, that's definitely some core rotation. Now we are in a full set, so let's look for the next spool. Must be 4 because, well, that's the only spool that is still unpicked. And it's open. Nice. So as you see, looks hard, but it's actually quite manageable. So let's see how it guts and what's in this half as well. You don't have to trust me on my word. I will just show you what's there. Okay, let's get this clip open. Come on, go away. Opening the clip is the hardest part of cutting, I guess. Anyways, here it is. Key, follower, one, two, well, some drill protection is falling out. That was number 4, and number 3, and number 5. And here's the core. Nothing in there, just a regular one beside the keyway. Now, one, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, number 5. Let's arrange it just a little. Dump the springs. And they are slightly different. I don't know if that makes much difference really, but they look differently. Okay, so multi-XL fancy keyway and 2 spools. Here we go, the guts. One more look at it. The spools are in number 2 and number 4. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.